Hi all you beauty beauts and babes, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Well, yesterday I got this delivered to my doorstep, guys. Is that awesome? Welcome to Shirley's Beauty Shack. So this was the hardest thing ever for me to do, is not to open this box. I know it's my base box because I already opened my premium box and reviewed that with y'all. So if you would, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate that. Turn your notification bell on and give me thumbs up if you like my content. So let's get into this base box. I hope you're excited as I am. So let's get into this. Alrighty. Well, there's my box. All gonna fall out. So this is my August base box, and there's not really a word, a niche for this. It's just Boxycharm Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, and Slumber. But there is like some s'more stuff on the side. So let's get into it. I hope you guys had a great Monday. Mine was a little bit of a manic Monday, but that's only expected. So I get to work, right? And it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I work very early hours. I have no computer. So I turn it on and it's black and I'm like, okay. Needless to say, some kind of card went out in there and I didn't have any access to do any of my stuff for 3 hours. But I was able to do it all in 1 hour prior to going to lunch. So that made it for a hectic day. So, I'm ready to chill out, chillax, and do some reviewing. So, let's do this. So the first thing I see is a Trestique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essentials Kit. I'm not sure exactly what that is. So, they're pencils. Is this a highlighter? Let's look at this card. Summer Glow set. A must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. This mini set features the best-selling shades of a highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. Okay, right on. The ultimate on-the-go set for your summer adventures. That's everything in one little box, guys. That's your eyeshadow, your blush, and your highlighter, and your brow. I'm excited for this big time. Oh, look at this. Check that out. Does it say what this is? This is the blush, and it's a pinky. I needed this Saturday, actually. I'm not sure. It's very, very light. You can barely even tell on my skin. I'm kind of dark. Goodness. Way pale. Alright. I am excited for this. I am definitely going to try that. And the value on that is $42. Wow. So the next thing is a Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Woohoo! I'm excited for that because a couple boxes ago, basically, we got the Pretty Vulgar eye primer, and I just didn't like it on my eyes. It was so tacky. Either I was putting too much on, or when I went to put the shadow, it just packed it on. So I went and I bought some Milani, and I really liked it. It does help my eyeshadow stay a little bit longer. So this is the Thank Me Later. I will definitely be using that as well, because I am liking using the eyeshadow primers. You know what I didn't do today, guys? I didn't tell you what I was wearing today. So let me just tell you, last week I did some reviews on the weekly palette, the Manny Morphe MUA palette. I think it, no, The Milani palette is the one I was using last week, and I really did like it. I liked it a lot, but I needed more space on my phone so I could upload for y'all, so I had to delete them. Sorry, but that's what I used. And today I'm using the new Festival palette that we just got, so I'm excited for that one. And so far so good. This is after, you know, I get up at 4:30 in the morning, my makeup's on by 6, I'm out the door by 6:30, and here it is 5:30 in the afternoon, and this is what my makeup still looks like. This is the highlighter though from the Morphe Manny MUA palette, and I really like that. So let's get back into the box. That's what I'm wearing, and of course I am wearing my paparazzi earrings, as I always do. So the next thing is a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set. Here's the colors. So those are the colors. Those are some very pretty colors, by the way. Except there are some pretty bright ones here, guys. Holy smokes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. One of these days I'm going to wear something just like this just to freak people out. Probably freak myself out more than I would freak anybody else out. So with that, this is a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set. Every shade of the mini matte lip crayons to match every one of your moods. Enjoy velvety, buildable color and a weightless matte finish that lasts all day. These ultra soft matte lip crayons comes from a petite size making it perfect for on the go. $58. And there's 6 in there, so a little under 10 bucks a pencil. Oh, look, no, there's some good colors there. That's really awesome. So the next thing I got, yes, look at that, Morphe brushes. At the end of this video, I'm going to just flip my camera around and show you guys how many brushes I have. Not that I need any more, I just need better ones, I think. I recently just bought my first Morphe brushes, and I absolutely love these. So guys, I am way beyond excited to dip into these dudes. So let me just read a little bit more about those. The Morphe I Got This brush set. These babes, just the 4 and the synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off a gorgeous look. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection includes oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. MSRP $12. That's kind of cheap for a Morphe brush, isn't it? I'm not sure, but I'm excited to use those for sure. Now, the last thing I have in here was my choice item, and you know, every month we get to choose one item, and I did choose the Glam Glow Moisture. I am almost out of my moisture, so this time I doubled up on my base and premium, and I ordered moisture cream moisturizer. So the Glam Glow is it's Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with Omega Rich Cannabis. Now we're talking, y'all. Love that stuff. Cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with, there's that word again, I can't say, you guys, hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief from the skin stress. And it's valued at $54. So that's a very interesting box. I'm very excited for all of these. I will definitely be using all of these. I think I'm even going to try the dark red lipstick. I'm not a red lipstick, but there are some purples. I really don't have any purples. I think I got one. Very excited for this as well. I love this box already. I am so very excited about everything I got in this. And let me just figure out how much mine was. Totaled up was $186. And for those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. The base box, which is what we just reviewed, is only $25. So for $25, I received $186 worth of product. Guys, that's fabulous. So I'm very excited to use this, and I hope you will be excited about your Boxycharm base box if you get Boxycharm. If not, I will leave a link down below and you can go there and check it out. Guys, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi. I appreciate that as well. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I'm going to show you my brushes. As I told you, I'm very, very excited to use those Morphe brushes from the base box. So I can't flip this around, so I have to pause it, turn it back on, and then do that. Guys, once again, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell on, and give me thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Alright guys, here are my brushes. And then I've got more here. And then I've got more there. Thanks guys. Everyone, this is my dog Nala. Hi sweet girl. Hi mama's baby. So precious, huh? What a mama's baby. What'd you do today, huh? Yeah, you don't want to talk? You don't want to say hello? You got a bone? Okay. And this is her twin sister, Nikki. Knickers. She's going to scratch. There's a mama's pretty girl. You give me 5. Just give me 5? You will. You're so sweet. This is Nikki Nunu. Nick, back up, baby, so them see you. See you. She's just full of kisses. Thank you, baby. That's enough now.